Cancer Yearly Horoscope Forecast for 2021. The phrase, home is where the heart is, could just be as easily say, home is where the moon child is. Yes, you are the heart of every home you inhabit, and what's more, you are the feeling of home to everyone who knows you. You radiate warmth, safety, comfort, and reliability. While many see you as quiet and sensitive soul who prefers to fly under the radar and who offers a cozy welcome to those who are lucky enough to be in your inner circle, there is so much more to you than just that. You are highly intuitive. Some would even go as far as call you psychic. You can also be very dreamy and imaginative. You are generous and empathic. You are also extremely deep, which makes it hard to know you. Although you come on soft rather than coming on strong, you are quite ambitious. This year, you might be especially ambitious because opportunities that hover around you are there for the grabbing, and this will bring out your dynamic go-getter spirit. Remember that the crab is a symbol of your sign, and once you get your pincers into something, you're not one to let go. Therefore, due to the way the stars align during 2021, this could be a very successful year for you. In fact, good fortune will be with you in all areas of your life in 2021, and it's been a long time coming. For that reason, you will find yourself feeling grateful and blessed.